Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic key fob battery. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. You will need just a few items: a new CR 2032 3-volt battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Having these ready will make the battery replacement smooth and efficient. Let's get started. To begin, locate the small release button on your key fob and slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for the next step. Now, find the small notch or slot on the key fob's edge. Carefully insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate, revealing the interior components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, circular battery inside. This is typically a CR 2032 3-volt battery. Gently pry out the old battery using your small flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage any internal components. Take note of which side is facing up, usually the positive side marked with a plus sign. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot at the bottom of the fob until it locks into position. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.